as the temperature's now getting cooler, I thought it'd be a good idea just to remind you that we have the range of Airex silent, odourless, infrared heaters. Now, these heaters, there's 3 in the range. They all work on the same triple burn system. They can be fueled using either red diesel, white diesel, or heating oil. I say they're silent, they're odourless, they're insurance approved, they're health and safety approved, very, very low consumption. They can heat really large areas very effectively. Like I say, the burner here is fitted with a triple burn system, which means they're very efficient. They're also odourless, so the exhaust emits almost no fumes at all, which is why they're approved by health and safety and most insurance companies. In fact, I think all insurance companies. But I say there's 3 in the range. We've got the AH200, 300, and 800. You can operate them quite simply using the touch screen control panel or a remote control or the app or an app on your phone. So if I was to turn it on now, you see here that the display is reading that the room temperature is 17 degrees. We turn it on, you hear there the fans beginning to fire up. In a moment we'll hear the burner engage and you'll hear the noise level. So they're very silent. They actually work at 48 decibels. The burner's engaging here, so what we're asking the heater to do is heat the room from 17 degrees to 23 degrees. Once it reaches the desired temperature, the heater will turn itself off and cut out automatically, and then it will restart as and when it needs to. So that's it, it's running. You can maybe hear it, maybe you can't hear it. The exhaust is emitting almost nothing other than extra heat. It's infrared, so you can touch everything around it, so it's very safe. It gets hot, but you can still touch all the grid and the panel and the heater itself. So there we are. To find out more information, just click on the link and go to our website. They're all on there. We've got them in stock, available from both branches, either the Bedford branch or the Bury St Edmunds branch. Yeah, get in touch.